The book series is a platform for students, readers, and researchers from all walks of life. We spotlight the latest books from leading universities and commercial presses. We spotlight the works of professors, scholars, technocrats, and government leaders. Our program is interdisciplinary. We cover books and topics from a variety of subjects. We invite the best teachers, lecturers, and professors of these subjects. Although the primary focus of the program is African studies, the series also covers world affairs. Over 300 guests have been featured on the program, and our content helps millions of students and researchers across the world. Unlock a world of academic possibilities with our book series. Engage in insightful conversations with researchers and scholars. Learn more and enrich your understanding of the world. Our program is dedicated to educational enrichment, empowering you to stay ahead. Subscribe today.